Gentlemen, may I have your attention please? The race starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new Olympic race event 2021. Let's the race show begin. Today event Team USA Racers versus Team Australia Racers.
Good morning, what's up? Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce our new 2021 Olympic race event tournament. We come back to our new race event. Here's our track for the race. Okay, now let's meet our first team racer challenge. These teams from United States versus Australia. The green car is from United States, the blue car from Australia. Let's start the race. Inside lane, Team USA. Outside lane, Team Australia. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go! Team USA win. Now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team USA. See who's gonna win for this second round. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, so close, who's gonna win it? Oh, finally, Team United States win with a flip round. Okay, now let's meet our second team from Team United States versus Team Australia. The left side is a Team USA, the right side is a Team Australia. Let's start the race. Inside lane, Team USA. Outside lane, Team Australia. Let's see who's gonna win for the first round. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go. She's gonna win it. Oh, Team United States win. Now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team United States. See who will win for the second round. Are you ready? 1, 2. Get set, go. Oh, Team Australia win. Now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team United States. See who's gonna win for the final round, for the round 3. Are you ready? 1, 3. Get set, go. Oh, still Team Australia win. Okay, now let's meet our third team. On the left side, Team United States. On the right side, Team Australia. Let's see who's gonna win for the third team. Let's start the race. Inside lane, Team United States. Outside lane, Team Australia. Let's see who will win in the first round. Are you ready? 1, 1. Get set, go. Oh, Team United States win. Okay, now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team United States. See who will win in the second round. Are you ready? 1, 2. Get set, go. Oh, it's so close. Who's gonna win it? Oh, final Team Australia win. Now what happened? Now what happened to Team Australia? Wait, Team United States. I'm sorry. Now stuck in the curve. Okay, inside lane, Team United States. Outside lane, Team Australia. This will be the third round. See who will win for the final round. Are you ready? 1, 3. Get set, go. Oh, finally Team United States win. Okay, now let's meet our final team, or the fourth team, the final team. Left side, Team United States. Right side, Team Australia. Let's start the race. Inside lane, Team United States. Outside lane, Team Australia. Are you ready? 1, 1. Get set, go. Oh, Team United States win. Now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team United States. This will be the second round. Let's see who's gonna win it. Are you ready? 1, 2. Get set, go. Oh, Team United States win. Oh, what happened to Team Australia? The car just flipped around, man. That's too bad, man. Now we are start for the round 2, since it looks like Team United States take it most the advanced record. Only one Team Australia. Let's see who's gonna win for the second round. Inside lane, Team United States. Outside lane, Team Australia. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go. Oh, so close. He's gonna win it. Oh, Team States win. Now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team Australia. Outside lane, Team United States. See who will win for the second round. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, so close. She's gonna win it for this time. Oh, Team Australia win! Inside lane, Team United States. Outside lane, Team Australia. This will be the third round. This will be the final round. See who's gonna win it. See who's gonna move to the next bracket. Are you ready? Round 3. Get set, go! Oh, so close. Oh, still Team United States win. Okay, now let's meet our third and fourth Team United States. Both are Team United States. See who will win for the first round. See who's gonna move to the next bracket. These two teams will compete each other. Inside lane, Team United States for the green car. Outside lane, Team United States for the blue car. See who's gonna win. See who's gonna move to the next bracket. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go! Oh, so close. Team United States got the green car win. Okay, now we are switching lanes. Inside lane, Team United States, the blue car. Outside lane, Team United States, the green car. Let's see who's gonna win for the second round. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, this time the blue car win. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane, Team United States, the blue car. Outside lane, the green car, Team United States. This is the final round. See who's gonna move to the next bracket. Since both teams are tied 1-1. Are you ready? Round 3. Get set, go! She's gonna win it. Oh, finally the blue car Team United States win. Okay, now this is for the semi-final. See who will win for the championship. For the round 1, both teams are still Team United States. See who's gonna win it. Either the green car or the blue car. The green car is Jaguar. The blue car is Stocker. She's gonna win it. She's gonna take the first place for their own Team United States. Let's start the race. Inside lane from Team United States, drive Jaguar. Outside lane, Team United States, drive Stocker. See who's gonna win for the first round. Are you ready? Round 1. Get set, go! She's gonna win it. Oh, it's so close, man. Oh! Finally, Team United States Jaguar win. Okay, now inside lane, Team United States, drive Stocker. Outside lane, same Team United States too, drive Jaguar. See who's gonna win it for the championship, for their own group. Let's start the race. Are you ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, so close, she's gonna win it. Oh, this time the States and stock-out win. Now we are switching. Inside lane, United States. We have Jaguar, outside lane, United States 2. We have stock-out. This will be the final round, the third round. See who's gonna win for the championship, for their own group, for the first group. Okay, are you ready? Round 3. Get set, go! She's gonna win it. So close, man. Oh, finally the Jaguar United States win. Okay, people, this is the result for the round 1, group 1. Now we gonna let's see who's gonna win it for the round 2, group 1. The winner for today is Team United States. Okay, for the next round, for the round 2, group 1, Team United States will face Team Brazil for the next round. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I see you guys next round. Let's see who's gonna win it for the next round. Thanks guys.